This is AB. 7 years ago, she was on the train. We were going from Thailand to Cambodia. She was pregnant, she was in heat, and you can see all of her muscle inside the Thai train.
We have a diaper on her.
Yes, a train that has nothing to do with the train in Japan, which are more pretty, more comfortable.
I like this.
Yes. In Thailand, when you take the train, it's a challenge. Try not to die or try to survive challenge.
And not to puke.
Yes. But the train in Japan, the Shinkansen, the bullet train, and all the trains are fast and but also very safe, and I think that's important.
The train doggy. Sorry, that was it came a shock.
Oh my god! Whoa!
Oh man!
Whoa!
That's me!
It's like 5 seconds.
The blast of air just... I mean, I was afraid it was going to knock
In
out.
North America, we don't have this, so
One of the most intense experiences I ever had.
even adults are
Thank you
gonna be
very
shocked
much,
like kids when they see it. Whoa.
See that? We gotta pay whatever fare they want and get the fuck on that train.
We were on that train.
No, that's in Izomi.
No, that was a Hikari.
No, that's in Izomi.
They're the same speed.
No, it's not.
Yeah, they
No,
are.
that's
Really?
in Izomi. That's the fastest speed.
No, they're all the same speed,
No,
more though,
that's not. Did you not see how fast that was? That's unbelievable.
There's an Nozomi here in a couple minutes.
I know.
Are you just get on it?
I should get on that.
Wasn't that ape shit?
That was fucked.
Look how happy you are.
She's happy.
That was fun.
Come on.
Amazing!
It's so much funnier when it's adult and not children. The sound of the air.
Oh. When I was a kid, there's an exam about what is the fastest train in the world.
Oh, really?
I think, yeah, and there is a Shinkansen.
Oh, in
I
Japan?
think, yeah, long time ago. So I just realized that. Oh, yeah, we need to go there one day.
I think they have that train in many places of in Japan. It's not only one location, they all different location. Oh. The train must be very safe because there's no point of being fast if people are
Well,
dying.
Japan, right?
Yeah, Japan are known for their property and look, it's built like a private, like a jet,
Yeah.
like the.
Yeah, it looks like jet. Or maybe it make it quicker because of the shape and everything.
Yeah, the shape of the behind and front, right?
Yeah. Maybe it would be able to fly in the future like a Galaxy Express.
Yeah. Oh, fly with train like this.
Yeah.
If you add wings with that, maybe they can fly. I don't know.
Needs to be fast though.
Crap.
Wow.
It has to be clean, or the debris on the floor would. Psh.
Or the kid was saying, wow.
No?
Oh my god.
You and your brother are both gonna be little like monsters. Need for Speed, huh? You like that adventure stuff, huh? Yeah.
Amazing Japan.
私も初めて実際に見た時は本当にびっくりした。鳥肌が立ったし、 興奮のあまり泣いちゃったもん。プラス1、スペイン。特に新幹線の速さを感じるのは快速の電車があっさり抜かされていくときね。プラス2、ブルネー。日本よ、これがどれだけ驚異的なことかわかってるか？バングラデシュ。日本を旅行するときに
She's translating what she was saying earlier.
一切ないぞ。オランダ。新幹線って名前からしてすでにもう速そう。プラス1、シンガポール。アメリカもそろそろ新幹線を導入するべきだと思うの。テキサス横
They
断
were
のために
arguing
10時
which
間
train it
運
was.
転するのは
She was like, no, it's the fast one. It's
プ
the
ラス
fast one.
11、アメリカ。ああいう鉄道があったらもっと旅をするようになると思う。だからあなたの意見に 100% 同感。プラス2、アメリカ。実際に乗ったことがあるけど本当にすごかったし安心感もあった。言うまでもなく日本はいろんな国がやってるみたいに事故を隠すようなこともしないし。プラス1、アメリカ。乗ってる時は揺れが全然なくて動いてるのかわからないくらいだった。でも外から見るととんでもない速さなんだね。プラス2、イギリス。こういうのを見るたびイングランドは
Yeah,
超
what's
遅れてる
making
と思うわ。
crazy is the shape of
プラス2、イギリス。
the shape and the
中
sound
国
that
の
it
高
makes.
速鉄道ほどは安定してない
You
から
know
ね。
it's fast because of the sound,
国
right?
籍不明。たとえそうだとしても俺は日本の新幹線を選ぶが。プラス3、日本在住。日本のすべて
It's
が
so
大好き。
quiet.
だからここ数年少なくとも1
I
年
think
に
this one is
1
more
回
like
が日本に
inside,
戻っ
right?
てる。フィリピン。あんな超高速で走ってる中で車内の人たちは何をしてるの？国籍不明。寝たり食べたり話したりのんびりした時間を送ってる。プラス1、アメリカ。日本の高速鉄道はこの世界に存在する高速の乗り物の中でおそらくは最も安全なものだろう
In the
ね。
US, we don't have train like there's no train like this.
安全で速
No
くて
train system.
時間通りで効率的で清
It's
潔。
only underground.
まるで夢のよう。
In Thailand we have
フ
though,
ランス。
Yeah.
but I don't
やっ
think
ぱ
it's
り
fast.
日本の技術
Like
力は世
compared
界
to the
最高峰なんだ
Shinkansen.
な。
I mean, it's still
ルーマ
fast.
ニア、米在住。イギリスの鉄道は今や世界最悪の部類だ。安全性、混雑、遅れ、
In Thailand, you have some
運賃の
old
高さ
Japanese
の問
train,
題があ
right?
るから
Oh,
最近は
recently we just
すっか
bought
り
a
鉄道に
second
は乗らなく
hand
なった
for a lot of
インフラの面
million.
で交通がかなり遅れてる。イギリス、
And they
300 キ
renovated.
ロで
Is
走っ
it
てて
pretty
も
though?
ほとんど揺れないからね。シートベルトがいらないくらいだから。イラク、新幹線が安全なのは日本人がちゃんと法律を守る人たちだからだろうな。
Wow, they don't even have
こっちなら
seat belt on the train.
線路に入り込む人間が出てくるし。アメリカ、おお、あんなスピードで駆け抜けていって事故は起きてないのかな？あれがカリフォルニアに来るかもしれないんだよね。アメリカ、
I don't
実
know.
際に乗ると
There's no train in
その素晴
California.
らしさを
There's
実
no
感
train
するよ。
system.
個人的には飛行機よりもはるかに好き。プラス2、ブラジル。日本人は
ブラジル
よくこんな鉄道を作ったもんだ。
remember.
大地震が来た場合はすぐに停車できるようになってるのかね。フランス、実際あの速度で走ってる時に地震が起きたらどうすんだ？プラス3、国籍不明。
Oh.
早期地震検知システムがついてるよ。だから地震を感知したら迅速に停止でき
Is
る。
she saying that the train can sustain an earthquake? Like if there's an earthquake and you're in the train, you're gonna
もう
be
笑う
fine?
しかないだろう。
I don't know if
プラス
it's
1
saying
イタ
something
リア
like this.
That makes
最
sense
長
though.
日本にはすでに未来が来て
Oh
る
yes, the
人を
train in
確認
Malaysia is
して
quite nice. I
プラ
think
ス
she was talking
3
about
ポーラン
Malaysia.
ド。マジで未来だな。日本人はきっと全てを知ってるんだ。俺もそう遠くないうちに乗りに行くつもり。プラス2、国籍不明。完璧だ。日本、彼らはやりすぎだとは思わなかったんだろうか？プラス99。
It sounds like
ブラジル
American. Those are
日
the
本の高速鉄道のすごいところは速いだけじゃなくて次から次へとやってくるのに時間に正確なところなんだよ。フランス、あんな速いの？乗客は外の景色を見れるのか？プラス1、イタリア。わお、日本の技術が世界の先にあるっていうのはそういうイメージなだけじゃなくて実際にそうなんだな。プラス1、フランス。日本の鉄道技術はちょっと次元が違うね。プラス8、
Yes.
ルーマニア。通過していくときの
Wait,
音がたまら
recently
ない
I saw that
4月に
the
乗りに行く
motorbike
予定
can
なんだ。
fly.
In
今か
Japan?
ら
Japan, but they are building it in the US and they sell it for about 3 million baht. I'm not sure.
Wow.
Yeah. Do you know, we also have a fast train. And recently, the government bought a train. Basically, they call Japanese donated the train to Thai people. And they say we bought a train for a lot of million, and yeah, we renovated and it still look pretty. But a lot of Thai people also really mad because we bought a second-hand train, and they say the Japanese donated the train, not we buy it.